Hey everyone, I've made this monstrosity with Tuesday. He came round to mine and we made this weird thing. Oh no, it's getting clogged up. Let me fix that real quick. Yeah, it's very odd. I know what you're saying. But yeah, we just like it. I mean, we can take a ride on the train. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good now. But yeah, let's wait at the station, shall we? Yeah. It's so weird. Poop slide. There are spiders in that tunnel. Oh my goodness, that sounds infested. I mean, what else do you expect? It's a poop slide. But yeah, please don't demonetize our channel, YouTube. Let me just suspend that real quick, so that it can actually stay up. How do I suspend it then? I'll type it. Okay, so here we go. Here's the suspension to keep it up. And oh, I just forgot. Yeah, we've made a poo explosion here. And take a look at this. This is where it all comes out. It's very, very lovely. Now, yeah, it's got a weird face. And holding this toilet roll. Train station up on a buttock. Anyway, yeah, that was the tour of this golden guy, and I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye.